If you like BMWs, it's your lucky day because we have another BMW project. In this case, it's a 2025 M1000XR. Had 2,000 miles when it showed up. This is actually John from Aruba's motorcycle, and it's looking amazing right now, but when it rolled through the doors over here, it was actually a little jaw-dropping. I didn't expect it to be so dirty, but we got Wendell from Tridel Auto Spot to come and do a full treatment on it. A wash, a detailed clay bar, wax and polish, and then on top of it, he did put the ceramic coating on it, so it looks better than new right now. We addressed a lot of the questionable things on it. It had a different front tire. Now it has a Rosso 4s that we did off a camera to get it to this point, so it's camera worthy for you guys to see. The only thing is this timing inspection cover that's faded. We're going to replace it with a proper one from TWM. There's a few things that we're going to do on this episode. There's going to be a few other episodes of this to get this ready so that John can have a proper adventure bike of his own here in the United States for him. It's going to get a Brand Tuning Stage 2 flash with the stacks. That's not happening on this episode, but we're going to have to dig into this motorcycle and hopefully all the parts show up because we're on a very tight schedule. But today we're going to answer a few things. It already has a stainless Akrapovic header on it, and thankfully it does because Akrapovic, we're filming this video April of 2026. There's a huge shortage of Akrapovic in the US. There's nothing available, and unfortunately that means that if you have one of these bikes and if you want to get it, you're going to have to wait a couple months. But either way, it has a header on it. We're going to change the stock muffler, and this thing is not supposed to be here. I don't know, again, it's a used bike, so we don't know why it's like this. It has kind of brackets showing here, but we're going to address those with this Akrapovic muffler that we have. This is for an S1000XR, and Akrapovic says it doesn't fit the M1000XR, and you can be sure that we're going to make it fit. There's going to be a few things that we got to do to get it to fit there. It's with the bracket. I'm sure you could try to do this at home as well if you have some mechanical skills. We're changing the windscreen. We already had a WRS windscreen, but it's the big touring one. We're going to put the sport one. These are timing inspection covers, and of course we're going to put more carbon fiber on it. There's going to be a lot more carbon fiber coming, but today we're doing our full 6 M1000RR front fender that just bolts right onto this motorcycle, that has the integrated cooling ducts on it. It's going to give this bike a lot more sportier look, and also it makes the front end look a little more present, because if you look in the front, I don't know, it looks a little skinny down here, not much going on. There's so much going on up top over here that this really helps with that. Even if you want, you could run the aero wheel covers off the M1000RRs on these motorcycles, but in this case John doesn't like the whole look of that, so he's just going with this. And also we're doing a belly pan that's right here, a carbon fiber belly pan, while we're down there tinkering with the exhaust. But let me put this away, and I think I want to hear your comments on this, right? Because it's an M1000XR. What do you think? I've said this before. I think we have a ride review video on our channel saying this is the best all-around motorcycle. If I were to choose one bike and only one bike to have, this would be it. And that's a lot coming from a Ducati fanboy, as you guys call me. And I want to remind you guys as well, all of these Alpine Star shirts that I wear is now on our website, along with everything else from Alpine Stars. Boots, gloves, helmets, whatever you name it. Now we're offering it to you guys. And if you don't even have a motorcycle, but you're an enthusiast and you just want to show your love and passion for this type of stuff, grab yourself an Alpine Star shirt. Help us out, support us, comment down below. But let's get this onto our lift and let's start it up, and let's see how it's going to be once that muffler is on there, and then we'll take it outside so you guys can hear it, because I know all you're here for is to hear an exhaust sound coming out of a motorcycle. Well, the exhaust is on. I told you we were going to make it fit. Akrapovic says this fits an S1000XR, not an M1000XR, because of, I think the bracket just didn't fit. So if you saw, we cut the bracket and we made a new hole. I marked it the way that we wanted it to fit. Right now, this is parallel to the back section of the bike so that it's all looking correct, and it's fairly simple to do it. The only part is that I didn't try to round this off too much. I rounded it just a little bit so that it's not sharp on the edge, because trying to round off a radius is such a hard thing to do with a Dremel. I'm not an expert fabricator, so if you try to do it yourself, you can either leave it like this, and most of the times this will be just like this, so you don't even see it, or someone's foot's going to be there. But now that we've addressed the exhaust, and also take a look at this, carbon fiber heat shield fits it perfectly. It's covering everything. We took that timing inspection cover off of it and put the proper blue TWM on it. It didn't even have the proper gasket on it actually, but it looks so much better already. Next is going to be our belly pan. Let's get that on, and then we'll move on to the windshield. Well, the windscreen is on, and if you take a look, this was the WRS touring screen that we took off of it. It's actually big. It still looks pretty okay, but for a bike that is like this is an adventure bike on steroids. I think you want something sportier, so install the WRS Sport windscreen. And also this bike has a party piece, right? If you want more wind protection, you could just flip this lever up and it goes up, so it gives you a better protection for the wind. And don't forget, WRS windscreens are actually wind tunnel tested, and they designed them for the shape that is going to provide the maximum wind resistance for the rider, given the size of it. But we'll put it down because it looks the best like that. And looks one thing, this belly pan makes it look so much better, right? And I also want to mention, so if you ride this bike with a sport windscreen and have some helmet like an Alpinestars Supertech R10 or the adventure helmets of Arai, the XT4s and XT5s, those helmets are so good in the wind that you barely notice anything different from running a huge screen or a sports screen like this. But I know what you guys want, and I know what I want. I want to hear how it sounds with that new carbon fiber muffler. Let's pull this bike outside and see how it sounds. Well, it's a new day because yesterday the weather wasn't cooperating with us. I got a new Alpinestars shirt today too. But what did we do on this bike? We did the front M1000 double R fender that looks amazing. And then our WRS Sport windscreen. We also changed those fairly neglected timing inspection covers. And also the big thing is this exhaust over here alongside with that carbon fiber belly pan. I know you guys are here to see how it sounds. Let's turn it on, let it warm up, and we'll give it some revs. And there's gonna be a lot more coming for this M1000XR on the next episodes, carbon fiber, brand tuning, and much more. And as always, guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, have a good one.
Mm-hmm.